Zevi?
Should we try avocado for the first time on the
Do you want to try avocado or do you want to have a banana?
Smush them both together.
Yay for avocados and bananas!
Yeah.
Has Zevi ever had an avocado before, Mommy?
He has not. We're going to try something new. Abby's going to try something new.
It's important to try new foods, right, Mommy?
Yeah, Tati, it's important to try new fruits.
It's definitely important.
Right? Does Tati try new fruits all the time? Hey, Zevi, maybe while we teach you what to eat, we should teach Tati too. And Tati's like,
I have to get my own bumbo.
You'd like that. Let's see if to smush it so Zevi can eat it.
Oh boy. Zevi!
I was excited you're gonna have so sweet, right, Zevi? Avocado and
You holding onto your tray, Mr. C? Are you drooling a little bit? Should I? It smells delicious, Mommy.
it's like guacamole.
It's banana and avocado, Zevi's favorite. Oh, look how excited he looks!
Are you ready?
Zevi,
Let's show Tati.
show Tati how good you are eating.
Here. Yeah. You open your mouth. Hey, Schmushk. No, you don't like the avocado as much as the just banana.
Well, he likes banana, he does not like avocado.
How do we know? Maybe he does. Give him a chance. Right? Say, give me a chance, Dad.
Zevi,
What do you think?
what do you think?
Ooh.
Delicious, Mommy.
And very nutritious. And very nutritious. Oh wait, I think I saw that he's growing a tooth.
Did you?
I think. I saw something white.
He likes it.
Oh, sorry. Like, not really. Should we have just kept with banana first?
I didn't think that they would go well together.
What?
They go together?
That's what it said. We could put it together. I mean, you don't have to. You can like, give them separately. Is that what you want?
Zevi?
Say hello to the camera. Like that.
Mommy, he's done eating with his drum.
Yeah. Said he loves his drum. Where's that his mouth? Look at him.
Yay!
Hope that didn't go in correctly. That wasn't your fault. That was Mommy's fault.
Whoops.
That was not. We have to make sure it's very pureed. How do you like it? Is it something that will grow on you?
Well, I don't know if any adults like to eat banana avocados together.
It's true, it's very healthy. Keep it in. Good job. You're liking it, aren't you?
Zeffy? Zeffy. Let's start looking for his drum. Where is his drum?
It's inside of the exercise. Hey, Tati, you're distracting him from eating.
Right. Okay, well, I'll stop it for now. But we'll film you with your drum in a second. And any last words?
Bon appetit.
Mr. Z, say goodbye to the camera.
Say bye-bye. Sayonara.
He's looking at his drum.